Hi everyone, welcome today. New week. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, September the 13th, 2021. With only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Yes, a medium Sudoku. And I have no good news for you because newspaper, in this newspaper, there are no extra Sudokus. Let me show you. This is a advertising. It's not the newspaper Sudoku. Extra Sudokus, no. So no extra Sudokus of the newspaper. So what I will do is I will solve this regular Sudoku. Then let me take the old newspaper. This is an old newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, September 10th. I will continue with this edition. I will do 3 Sudokus: a letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star. The other 3 are solved on Friday. The Saturday edition is already solved. So after this, I will do the Friday edition. But first, we will solve this baby. And this one will be number 3385. Yes. Hi Cortana, show me a Sudoku puzzle. And this one has 26 printed digits. I've already counted 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars, my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row. So no 2 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Alright, so what are the other 3 numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the 9. Yes, 3, 8 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have a 2 and a 5. The other pair should be the 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4 and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those. 6 and 8. Here, 2 numbers left in this column. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Alright. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Here we have 6 and 8. The 1 is missing. 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 145, 145. Look, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see a 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Alright. Alright. How about 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Look, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 4 and a 6. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. 2, 2. 2, 2, okay, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3, 4, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Alright. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Then 1, 6, Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 4 and a 6. The other 2 numbers are the 3. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and a 3. That means these 2 boxes in this row. 9 and a 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. A lot of pairs. A lot of pairs. Okay. Yeah. Well, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, another 7 there, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be here. So 1 box, I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Let me see. Okay. 1, 9. 1, 9. 4. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Alright. Alright. 1. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. So we have a 6 in one of those 3 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be an 8. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 6. Alright. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this first column. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. No, wait. Now we have a 9 here. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be 9 and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 8 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5. The 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars. Yes. Because my time limit 15 to 20 minutes and I've solved this in 16 minutes. Well, could be faster. Anyway, I'm pleased. Do you think so? Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light, for the quintuplet. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binary, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe. And you'll find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, with the other 3 puzzles of the Friday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now. Cortana! Hey Cortana! Show me a Sudoku! Yes. Bye-bye for now.